Hi, I'm Jason Wagner, the engineering manager here at eSwitch, and today I'd like to introduce our new tact switch, the TL6800. The TL6800 is a single-pole, single-throw tact switch measuring 6.2 by 6.3 millimeters, and it comes conveniently packaged in tape and reel. Two actuation forces are available, a 160-gram force option with a brown actuator and an impressive 1 million life cycles, as well as a 260-gram force option with a red actuator and 500,000 life cycles. This surface mount switch comes standard with a J-bend termination and has a travel of 0.25 millimeters. It also has an operating temperature range of -40 to +90 degrees Celsius, making it a great choice for audiovisual and medical applications. If you want to learn more about our eSwitch products, please head over to our website, e-switch.com. Thank you for watching.